Every day, you use Google to find answers, solutions, entertainment, and to prove your friends wrong. But did you know that you can use it to make a lot of money online? Yes, there is a website that pays you to use Google, and you can use it on your phone. You may use it on your laptop or computer and from any location in the world. When you have an internet connection, you can do it from your bed, at the beach, while waiting in line, on the bus, or in your car. You can practically do it from anywhere as long as you have access to a computer and the internet. If you watch this video until the end, I'll explain to you step by step how to do this so you can start making money right now. But before we start, if it is your first time in the channel, welcome to the Daily Dollars channel. Where I will teach you methods and strategies on how to make money online. Before we go to our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, smash the like button, and click the notification bell to be notified whenever we upload a new video. And don't forget to leave a comment down below. Without further ado, let's just get right into the video. So the first step for you is to just open up Google and leave it like that. Okay? So the main website you'll be using combined with Google so we can make more money by searching on Google is going to be this website. But you must keep watching because if you just go over straight to the site and you try to figure out on your own, you will not know what to do because I'm going to show you this simple Google trick that will actually allow you to get paid a lot of money with this website. So I'm going to show you how to combine these two in order to make money just by searching Google. And I'm also going to explain to you exactly how this works. And if you follow each and every step during this video, by the end of it, you'll be ready to make money as I said. As you can see, all of these are some of the biggest companies in the world. And take a look at how much money there is to be made with one simple search. It can be $1,600, $800, $10,000, and so on and so forth. There's a lot of money to be made here. Now, you will just need to sign up to this website called mindsumo.com. And how you do that? Well, you click here, login, sign up. So click on login/sign up. Since you don't have an account yet, click on I don't have an account yet. You can sign up for free. Just enter your first name, enter your last name, your country, email address, and create a unique password right here, and select your birth date, gender, and then you will need to rate yourself in the following skill areas, so you will need to select creativity skills, marketing skills, and technical skills. Now this is really optional, but I recommend you to select something like average proficiency or above average, regardless of what your skills actually are, because this is going to give you high chances of making more money. So I would select average proficiency and once again, average proficiency after filling out this personal information. Now, there are going to be questions like why are you interested in using MindSumo and what types of projects are you most interested in solving? Now, we just answer questions like this one. And the first question, because it's better to train your minds by searching something or just answering something by searching it on somewhere. And the other question here is like, you're interested in many things, as that proves that you can answer many of their questions where you can get paid right here. Now, you don't have to take these 3 boxes because that's going to sign you up to their email list. And that's obviously not what you want to do. You don't want any spam emails or whatever. So you just need to take these 3 boxes, accept their terms and conditions, and their privacy policy. You can read by clicking on these links and this one, which is to avoid plagiarizing on your work, which then, after that, just click on I'm not a robot. Completed the challenge, which in this case is like the cars. Just click the sign up and you have an account in mindsumo.com. Now, once you log into your account and you scroll a little bit down, you're going to be able to see all of these different challenges or questions and projects which you can answer and get paid for doing. You can see they're paying from a couple of hundreds of dollars all the way up to thousands. And basically, here in the left-hand side, you're going to be able to see different categories, which you can select. So there's definitely going to be no shortage of money to be made on these websites since there are new questions and new projects and new challenges coming in every single day. Let me show you some past projects. Like if I open up, for example, this one, Over here, you're going to be able to see how much money people have been making from this challenge alone. You could see the total budget was $1,000 for the top, and there were top answers, and these top answers are splitting their revenue, as you can see. They're all getting $1,000 each, so if you're in the top 5, you're definitely going to be able to make that $1,000. In this case, sometimes it's going to be a lot more than that. But stick with me so I can show you the simple Google trick and how exactly you will be paid to search Google. Anyways, I want to come back here and select some of these categories. For example, let's go with computer science. Then just select any of these projects you like and you will enter that project so that you can see that they're going to ask you a question right here. This is the main question that we need to answer. We have a chance to win a share of $1,600. So what's that Google trick? Well, here's what you do. You'll need to copy this question right here and copy that. Go over to Google and paste the question right here so we can find an answer here on Google. And you can go through all of these articles. For example, open up this one and try to find if there's an answer to our question. So once again, their question was, how would you make home voice control more effective? And you can see this is exactly what we're looking for. So they're giving examples of how that would look like. So this is really professionally answered. It'll most likely be in one of the top shares on here. And you saw how easy that was. All I did was I just copied this and I went over to Google. I searched for that question and I have an answer right here. The next thing I need to do is to add the answer a little bit. So how did you do that? I went back to Google, I searched for Google Docs, so make sure to search for Google Docs and open on this website, docs.google.com. This is their official website. Now click on blank right here. Click that and go back to the article, and then you can copy and paste some of the answers, paste it right here, go back, copy another one. So the longer the answer is, the better for you to increase the chances of you making more money. If your answer is more profound, the better. And now you can of course add this. You can change the font, we could change the colors, maybe change some words, like for example, instead of this, I can just select it, I can change it to blue, and maybe change it to bold at that part or something like that. So you can see it's fully customizable and it's really easy. Just search for the answer on Google, edit it on Google Docs, and once you're done, just click File, go to Download, and download as a PDF document. Once you open up that document, it's going to look something like this. As you can see, this is really professional, and once you have it on your computer, you will just come back here and submit the answer, and you'll most likely get a share, or in this case, $1,600. Now bear in mind, you will not win a full $1,600. You will need to share that with other participants. But as you can see, it was pretty easy, and it took less than 5 minutes to find the answer on Google. Just by searching, I found the answer in less than 5 minutes, and now I have a chance to win anywhere from like $20, $30, $50, or maybe even $100 or $200 for free. Now this project was actually completed. You can see it's done. So I would need to find something that's actually opened and then submit my answers. For example, this one. The only thing I need to do again is to just search in Google for the answer. Find the answer, and once we find the answer, we just need to click on I have an idea to log into my account and my email address and my password and just submit the answer. So that's how easy it is. Just by searching on Google, there's a huge chance of making a lot of money online. Of course, it's not a guarantee that you always win the challenge and get the share of the prize, but it should just take a couple of minutes searching Google. It's really easy. And as I said, you can do it from anywhere you like. So why not do it in your spare time and make some extra income? And that is it for today's video. If you haven't already, make sure that you leave a like down below. Also, hit that subscribe button and notification bell down below to subscribe to the channel. Big thanks to everyone, and see you in our next video.